Hey there, folks. If you're looking to open a Discover Bank account, you've come to the right place. Discover Bank is known for its user-friendly online services, no monthly fees, and competitive interest rates, making it a great choice for savvy savers. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get set up in no time. First things first, let's get started by visiting the Discover Bank website. Simply open your web browser and type in discover.com, or search for Discover Bank on your favorite search engine. Once you're on the site, look for the Open an Account button. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Click that, and you'll be directed to a page where you can choose the type of account you want, like a savings account, checking account, or even a CD. Next, you'll need to fill out the application form. Don't worry, it's straightforward. You'll enter basic personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delays. Discover Bank prioritizes security, so they might ask you to verify your identity. Think uploading a driver's license or answering a few security questions. After that, it's time to fund your new account. You can link an existing bank account for a transfer, use a debit card, or even set up a direct deposit. The minimum deposit varies by account type, but it's often as low as $0 for some options, super convenient. Once your application is submitted and approved, which usually happens within minutes for online applications, you'll receive a confirmation email. At this point, you can log into your new account, set up online banking, and start enjoying features like mobile app access and 24/7 customer support. Opening a Discover Bank account is a smart move for anyone wanting flexibility and great perks. Remember, always read the fine print and consider if this fits your financial goals. If you run into any issues, their customer service is top-notch and ready to help. Thanks for watching, and happy banking. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips.